Learn English with Kevin. Vocabulary. Stories. Conversation.
Excuse me, are you American?
No, I'm not. I'm Vietnamese.
Do you speak English? Yes, I do, but not very well. How are you? I'm good, thanks. What's up? Nothing much. Are you happy today? Yes, I am. What's your name? My name is Anna. Where are you from? I'm from Vietnam. Where were you born? I was born in Hanoi. What do you do? I'm a nurse. Where do you work? I work at the local hospital. Where do you live? I live in Ha Long. What's your address? 35 Lithuanian Street. Can you give me your phone number? Of course. What's your email address? You can email me at anna@gmail.com. How soon can you pay me back? Maybe tomorrow. Where are you going? I'm going to school. Can you play volleyball? No, I can play football. Can I pay by credit card? Yes, we accept all the major cards. Sorry, what did you say? I said, where are you from? What does your father do? My father is a truck driver. What does your mother do? My mother is a teacher. Is it raining outside? It's raining heavily outside. Is it hot outside? No, not really. Do you have any pets? Yes, I do. I have a cat and 2 dogs. Do you have a camera? No, I don't. Do you read books? Yes, I am. What's your favorite type of book? I love reading about different cultures. Do you have a car? No, I don't. Do you want to walk home? No, let's take a bus. May I open the window? Certainly. It's very hot in the class today. Do you play any sport? Yes, I do. I play football. How long have you been here? 2 months. How long are you going to stay here? I'm going to stay here about 3 months. When did you come here? I just came. Are you tired? Yes, I am. Where did you go last weekend? I went camping with my friends. What do you do in your free time? I often watch video on the YouTube. Where did you go? I went to shopping with my friend. When are you going to Australia? I will go to Australia in December. Do you watch the news? I often watch the news at night. How can I contact you? You can call me on my mobile number. Are you married? Yes, I am.
How did you learn English? I often watch some English videos on YouTube. Are these your keys? Yes, they are. Whose is that? It's Kevin's. Do you work or study? I work. Would you like to drink some water? Yes, I would like to drink water.
Are you a teacher? Yes, I am. Do you know what this is called? It's called a cell phone. How much was your new phone? It was $2,500. Have you ever broke your arm? No, I haven't. Does he play the guitar? Yes, he does. Are you here for the first time? Right. Do you think Anna will get the job? I guess so. Who would you like to speak to? I would like to speak to Kevin. Are you thinking of buying a car? Yeah, but I haven't enough money. Did Kevin come to the party? No, he didn't. Do you play the piano? No, I don't. Is there a flight to Australia tonight? There might be. Let me check. Excuse me, is there a hotel near here? No, there isn't. What's that? It's my smartwatch. You'll help me, won't you? Yes, of course, I will. How many students are there in the class? 30. Do you want a chair? No, it's okay. I'll sit on the floor. Where are my glasses? It's on the table. You closed the window, didn't you? Yes, I think so. Have you had dinner yet? Yes, I had. Who is she? Sorry, I don't know. Do you enjoy your work? Yes, I do. Did you sleep well last night? No, I didn't sleep very well. Is there anything good on TV tonight? I don't know. I don't watch TV tonight. How can I help you? I want to buy a cup of coffee. Can you hear me clearly? Yes, I can hear you very clearly. Should we the party? Yes, who shall we invite?